Hey you guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So I am going to be doing another hair review. This wig is from UNICE Hair. They sent me their 4x4 body wave closure wig. Let's get into all the goodies that come in the box. So you have a wig cap, a cute headband, and some bomb eyelashes, y'all. Oh, I was so hyped when I got these eyelashes. These are so cute. But yeah, so let's get into this wig, y'all. So this is what the inside looks like. You have 3 combs. Usually I will cut these 2 combs and leave the one at the bottom, but because this is a closure, I might just keep all the combs. But yeah, I will probably go in and bleach the knots as well. I'm not sure. I might do makeup, or I might just bleach it. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. But yeah, it does come pre-plucked, and it is super soft, y'all. No shedding so far. But yeah, if y'all want to see how I install this wig, then keep on watching. Alright, you guys, so this is the finishing look. You guys, I am in love. I not really that good at baby hairs. I mean, they didn't look bad, but you know, I tried. But yeah, so this is how it turned out. This hair is amazing. I love it. It's super soft and no shedding so far. I didn't really know what I wanted to do at first. I was going to do the side part, but I really wasn't feeling the side part, so of course I just stuck with the middle part. But thank you to UNICE Hair for sending me their 4x4 closure wig and also these bomb eyelashes, y'all. If you guys want to purchase this wig, I will make sure I leave it in the description box below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.